Transform your weight loss journey with mindfulness and meditation. Mindful weight loss emphasizes awareness of your eating habits and surroundings for effective results. Meditation can reshape your mindset, curb binge eating, and inspire regular exercise routines. Research shows mindfulness meditation boosts emotional well-being and supports healthier dietary choices. Different meditation types, like mindful eating and loving kindness, enhance relaxation and reduce anxiety. Establish a daily 10-minute meditation routine to foster a habit that promotes weight loss success. Join us for more tips on mindful living and weight management.